Here's how to fix Steam login errors on Windows. Step 1. Run Steam as administrator. Start by closing Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator allows Steam to properly authenticate your account and access required system services during login. Step 2. Reset Steam network settings. If the login error continues, reset Steam's network configuration. Open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings, then open the Download section. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm. Steam will restart automatically. After restarting, go back to Settings, then Downloads. Change the download region to the nearest location or a different nearby region. Close Steam completely, then reopen it. Resetting Steam's network settings forces a fresh connection to Steam login servers. Step 3. Reinstall Steam without deleting your games. Close Steam completely. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam installation folder, usually located in Program Files. Inside the Steam folder, delete everything except the Steam Apps folder and steam.exe. This preserves all installed games. Next, download the latest Steam installer from the official Steam website. Run the installer and install Steam in the same folder location. Once installation finishes, open Steam and sign in. Steam will automatically detect your existing games without re-downloading them. Reinstalling Steam replaces corrupted login-related files while keeping your library intact. After completing these steps, Steam login errors on Windows should be resolved. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.